This image was shared by Ladakh MP on Twitter. The image shows 4th healthcare workers seated in the bucket of the JCB machine as they cross the river with turbulent water flow. Sharing the image, the Ladakh BJP leader wrote, "Salute to our COVID warriors, a team of COVID warriors crossing the river to render their services in rural Ladakh. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy and cooperate with the COVID warriors." Ever since the image was shared on social media, a lot of people shared it and commended the work of India's frontline healthcare staff. The COVID warriors were praised for battling the severe odds to save lives. A few days back, these visuals had gone viral from Jammu and Kashmir. This is how vaccination drive literally looks like in India's faraway villages. The people were seen crossing a river in the Rajouri district. The COVID vaccination drive was planned in a remote area of Kandi block. The staff made an all-out effort in ensuring vaccines for the people living in the far-flung areas of the Union territories, even if reaching the venue involves risks. Similarly, these healthcare workers reached the upper reaches of the Martan area. Martan is a tehsil and a notified area committee in Anantnag. The team reached out on foot for vaccination of the nomadic population in the area, ensuring their safety against the COVID-19. The health workers are trekking the hilly terrains on a daily basis to vaccinate people. In North Kashmir's two blocks, Uri and Boniar, the health workers walked several kilometers to reach out to people. Most of these areas have either no internet connectivity or poor internet service. These villages fall close to the LOC. The online booking of vaccination slots in these areas is not required. As per the data obtained from the health department, 99.73% people in 45 and above age have been vaccinated in Boniar. The vaccination was done in just 25 days. The Indian Army, in collaboration with civil administration and local medical and healthcare authorities, organized vaccination camps as well as logistically supported the frontline healthcare staff to carry out vaccination drives to the villages close to the LOC. For over a year, healthcare workers around the world have been battling the COVID-19 pandemic on the front lines. In the current scenario, healthcare workers are the world's real superheroes. The spirit and the sense of duty of our heroes on the front lines are admirable. This pandemic has tested them in the most brutal way possible, and we will forever be grateful to them for their services. They are truly doing a commendable job by providing untiring services since the pandemic began.